Hey, this is Alwin, and today I'm at Domino's Sandakan, and I'm going to have my lunch. So here's what I ordered. Okay, we have here one hand tossed chicken perfection, one can of Mountain Dew, and mushroom soup with garlic bread. The New York crust chicken pepperoni, that's for my family. Okay, so this will be my garlic bread and my cream soup, and I'll be eating it right now. So I'll be trying the soup and the garlic bread right now. So let's go. It smells nice. It's good. Nice and soft. Oh yeah, that hit the spot. Oh yeah, nice thick creamy soup. Get a little closer. Oh yeah, that hit the spot. Mm. Oh man, that's some nice soup. As for the pepperoni pizza, that's for my family. So I'm gonna try my personal pizza. Ah, yeah. So this is the pizza which I'll be eating, the chicken perfection. So let's get right into it. Oh, it's hot, it's hot. Ooh, nice. Ah, stretchy cheese. Let's dig in. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's some nice crust. Stretchy cheese. Mm. No, there's no tomato sauce in it. It's pesto. Nope. Pesto. As for this, well, I'm gonna fold it into two like a sandwich. Oh, the crust is damn brown. I mean, sorry, the crust is really dark. I like it like that, toasted. Oh yeah. So I really like the pizza and it was good. The flavor is amazing. The crust is toasted nicely. The cream soup, wonderfully flavorful, and garlic bread is also spot on. So yeah, I suggest you come to Domino's and try their pizza. They're fantastic at making them. And also don't forget to like and share this video, comment if you want, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Right now I want to have do.